How do you know if your baby is safe in your baby carrier? Well, there's 3 checks I want you to do. Number 1, make sure they are high enough up on your chest that you can easily kiss them without craning your neck too far forward. If they're too low, you probably want to bring up that waistband higher and fix it in place. Number 2, make sure they are tight. Take a brief dip forward and ensure that their body doesn't flop or slump away from yours. If it does, make sure you tighten up. On the Ergo Baby, you just pull on these straps here. It may sound counterintuitive, but the only way to squash a baby in a sling is by having it too loose. If a carrier is too loose, your baby could curl up, slump, drop their chin onto their chest, and that's what can restrict their airways. Don't worry too much about it being too tight. You'll know if it's too tight because you'll be uncomfortable before they are, because your diaphragm moves a lot more when you breathe than theirs does. Now, number 3, make sure their face is visible. Make sure there is nothing covering above the ears, nothing over their head that's restricting your view of their face. If you find that they're disappearing off to one side, then make sure you bring their hands and elbows up nice and high into a high 10 position, and this will help stabilize their head a bit. If you need any more help in checking your baby's safety, please get in touch.